If you are a professional who does not have all day to spend creating content, but you want to be seen on multiple channels or share content on multiple channels, this is a little pro tip from one power worker to another. And you can set up either gems or little projects, AI assistants, to really easily take one form of content you give it and spit out it optimized for multiple channels. So here I'm going to do it in the Google universe, but you can do this in any universe. I'm going to use a gem. A gem is a very sort of like lightweight AI assistant creator. You can obviously create instructions in one AI engine and use those instructions in another. It doesn't really matter. You just want to optimize it for whatever you're doing. The reason I'm not using something like Claude or Perplexity Computer or whatnot, because it would be overkill for this. This is like a really easy peasy one. So I'm in my gem interface here, and you get there from just clicking on the Gemini in your regular $9. And then I have here this gem I created, which is video to content. So it'll take a video that I upload to it. It'll spit it out for Substack, for LinkedIn, for YouTube, and I think for Instagram as well. So I'm going to show you this in the edit version first. And if anyone wants the specific directions, you can just comment and I will DM you the specific instructions. And so here, it's just the description is super easy. Pro tip, when you are creating gems or any AI assistants, do not make it require a prompt, right? Always create your assistant so you can just start the thing, or have it prompt you to tell you what it needs to be successful. So you can program in something about like, I will ask you these 3 questions at the beginning of every session. It just saves some time and saves like trying to figure out where you keep all your prompts. So this is the role here, and it's saying you're a personal ghostwriter, sentence structure. It's saying what are the best practices for each of these. And then it's also giving me alt text, which is great. I have in my knowledge base my tone. So I had AI create a tone document for me. This is called a context file. And what it means is I fed into it several different examples of my writing, and it extracted what it considers to be my tone. We made a separate document of that. That's here in this knowledge base. Okay. So we are going to go back and we're just going to use this live. Here you can see that I had just uploaded a video. So there's no need to add additional information. You literally just upload your video. If it's long, it'll take longer. And essentially what it does is it gives me my Substack post. It optimizes this Substack post also for discoverability. It adds the FAQs, which we know are so key for AIEO. It puts it in LinkedIn. Sometimes I feel like I need to tune my LinkedIn responses a little bit, and then it'll give you options for your YouTube metadata and Instagram and everything. So what it does is, and then you just copy and paste this. So just to be clear, this is for like an individual who's doing this. When we do this on behalf of our entire organization, we have a startup university. We actually have a Claude Cowork set up that has these multiple processes where it can actually spit these out. It links in right with HubSpot for us and can manage our actual live social media, which is pretty cool. But for an individual power worker, which is what you want to be now, this is just a quick hack. If you're interested in getting these instructions, just shoot me a comment or a DM and check out our university at newstateu.com.